progressive English learning.
Okay, I am awake. I am awake.
Arjun, wake up. It is your first day.
Yes, Ma, I am up. I am up.
Are you ready for your job?
I feel nervous. Very nervous.
It is normal. First day is always hard.
What if I make a mistake?
Mistakes are okay. You will learn.
I hope so. I really hope so.
Come, eat breakfast first.
Yes, I am coming now.
I made your favorite food.
Really? Thank you, Ma.
Eat well. You need energy today.
Yes, I need energy. Big day.
What time will you leave?
I will leave at 8 o'clock.
Your office is far, right?
Yes, about 1 hour.
Take your bag. Take your ID.
Yes, I have everything.
Phone? Wallet?
Yes, all ready.
Good. I am proud of you.
Thank you, Ma. That means a lot. The road is busy today. Very busy. I need a bus. Where is the bus?
Hey, Arjun. Good morning.
Oh, Ravi. Good morning.
You look smart today. New job?
Yes. Today is my first day.
Wow, that is great.
I feel scared. A little scared.
Don't worry, you will do well.
I hope so. I really hope so.
Which office?
City Tech Office.
That is a good company.
Yes, I heard that too.
Bus is coming. Get ready.
Okay, this is my bus.
All the best, my friend.
Thank you, Ravi. The bus is full. Very full. I will stand here. You can sit here. Oh, thank you, sir.
First day at work.
Yes. How do you know? Your face shows it. Really? I look nervous?
Yes, but it is okay.
Thank you. That helps.
Just be polite. Be calm.
Be polite. Be calm. Okay.
Listen carefully. Speak clearly.
Yes. I will remember that.
Ticket, please.
1 ticket to City Tech office.
Here is your ticket.
Thank you. My heart is fast, very fast. First job, first day. This is the building. So big, so many people. So many cars.
Good morning. Where are you going?
Good morning. I work here. First day.
Show your ID, please.
Yes. Here it is.
Welcome. Go inside.
Thank you. I can do this. I can do this.
Good morning. How can I help you?
Good morning. I am new here.
Your name, please?
My name is Arjun Sharma.
Yes, Arjun. Welcome.
Thank you.
Please sit here. Manager will come.
Okay, I will wait.
So quiet. So clean. Everyone looks busy.
Hi, are you new here?
Yes, today is my first day.
I'm Priya. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Don't worry, it is easy here.
Really? That feels good.
What is your role?
I am a junior assistant.
Great. You will learn fast.
I hope so.
Arjun?
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome to our team.
Thank you, sir.
Follow me to your desk.
Yes, sir.
This is your desk.
It looks nice. Very nice.
This is your computer.
Okay.
Do you know basic computer work?
Yes, sir. I know some basics.
Good. You will learn more here.
Yes, sir.
Meet your team.
Hello, everyone. I am Arjun.
Hello, Arjun. Welcome.
Thank you.
Arjun, I will help you.
Thank you, Priya.
Open this file.
Okay, I am opening it.
Type this data here.
Yes, I am typing.
Slow and correct, not fast.
Slow and correct. Okay. Is this right?
Yes, that is right.
Thank you. I feel better now.
See? It is easy.
Yes, a little easy now. Not so scary.
Lunchtime, let's go.
Yes, I am hungry.
Do you bring food?
Yes, from home.
I also bring food.
Let's eat together.
What do you have?
Rice and curry.
Nice. I have sandwiches.
Looks good.
Can I join you?
Yes, please join.
I'm Rahul.
Nice to meet you.
First day?
Yes, first day.
Relax. We all were new once.
That is true. This place feels friendly.
Yes, very friendly.
Arjun, can you do this task? Yes, sir. I will try.
Oh no, this looks hard. I don't understand this. Should I ask or try? I will ask. Priya, can you help me?
Yes, what happened?
I don't understand this file.
No problem. I will explain. See this step and this step.
Oh, now I understand. Thank you so much.
Always ask if you need help.
Yes, always ask. I feel better now. Good job today, Arjun. Thank you, sir. You learned fast. I tried my best. Keep it up. Yes, sir.
See? First day done.
Yes. First day done.
Let's go home now.
Yes, time to go home. I feel happy. Very happy. Not scared anymore. The bus is less crowded now. I can sit today. Today was a good day. I learned many things. New people, new work, new life, new start.
Arjun, you are back.
Yes, Ma, I am back.
How was your first day?
It was good. Really good.
Tell me everything.
I was scared in the morning.
And now?
Now, I feel confident.
Did you eat lunch?
Yes, with my new friends.
Friends already?
Yes, good people.
I am so happy.
Me too, Ma.
See? You get it.
Yes, I did it.
I am proud of you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Today was my first day. My first step to a new life. I am not afraid now. I am ready for tomorrow.